Hey guys, Justin here, and welcome back to an episode of Train Conductor's World. In the last episode, we have made it all the way up to Copenhagen because I just saw that I had enough tracks to just connect it up, and we got our 3 stars quite smoothly considering that's the hardest area of the game. In this episode, we'll connect our original plan. Florence, here we go, Florence. We got to Florence. Let's see how this area goes. Finish round in Florence. Let's do it. It's actually quite late right now. I want to wake up early, so I want to sleep very quickly, very soon. But I want to get this thing done. Then I don't need to film it tomorrow morning, which I don't have time, and I will be playing the game in the morning. So I want to get everything done before tomorrow's morning. What the hell is this? Oh, looks like it's just very Amsterdam to me. It's just another Amsterdam to me. Not really having a lot of memories of this area. Maybe I've not actually connected all of the areas last time I played this game. Because I don't really have memories of me playing this area. No memories of me playing this area right now. So no nostalgia feeling coming back. So seems like it's a new area for me to explore, for sure. But definitely way easier than Copenhagen. Holy shit. Now, do you still consider there's actually quite a lot of trains coming in at the top there, just there? Don't just focus on talking, Justin. You need to play. See, that's actually quite a lot of trains. Okay. Oh, oh. Well, this is a normal star. That's a lot of trains considering this is a normal star. If we can beat the hardest area, Copenhagen, we for sure can beat this one. No worries. I'm just gonna keep quiet because some of my flatmates are already sleeping, so I try not to wake them up. Same direction, same track strategy still applies, so. Ooh. Ooh. That was slightly bad there. Oh my gosh. This is so bad. This is the normal star. I'm really failing. What is going on here? It's the last time again. It's the stupid game bug. I'm trying to send a train at the bottom to number 1. It apparently just connected that I'm sending a random train that already sent to a correct track up there. This is just frustrating, isn't it? Trying to make use of the statues in the middle. Florence is in Italy, yeah? So Italy. Oh, that was the wrong track, I know. Wrong track, but that's fine. Just hold here for now. 1, 2, 3. Beat it, finally. Oh, finally beat that one. This is just a normal star. How the hell there's already 33 trains for a normal star? Holy crap. Got that star though, normal star complete. Alright, let's get that track before we get our next few tracks. Okay. Did it clear the clouds? Oh. Oh, here is the biggest problem. Oh. We cannot connect from this way over to Mostar because it's blocked off. So if I want to connect over to Mostar, I need to connect from that way. Okay, then we need to mix up the strategy over here. So I actually need to use this thing. Then we can turn this way and we can connect to Mostar. But that one I need to connect first, so there we go. Okay, we got the strategy changed. We're gonna connect from that way over to Mostar now. Because apparently I cannot connect anymore from Florence, so apparently just 2 more basic track tiles, but we're gonna get it and we'll end the episode from there. Oh, we have slow trains now. Okay. That is a long slow train. Just keep the train moving. Another slow train coming in. I just want that train to follow the slow train, so that's why I just send him up there. That was very close there. I just want to say this is actually a very big map. Very big area to transport the trains. Not like Copenhagen. Copenhagen is completely the opposite. No areas to transport the trains. So that's why it's so hard, because there's like no areas for you to move the trains around. What the hell? This hard start is just like... Oh, I guess it's just like the same amount of trains. But with the slow trains as well. Okay, not too bad. It's very similar amount of trains. 40 trains, 91 cargoes. Wow, that's a lot of cargoes. We'll quickly complete the Chaos Star. Actually gonna get the Chaos Star before we get our tracks. Hopefully I can beat this one smoothly because it looks quite challenging. I want you to pop the balloon, so you're gonna pop the balloon. Oh, here's where it gets frustrating. Oh gosh, double slow train. That was a close one. Almost lost a star there, I think. Everything smooth so far? Oh gosh. You gotta be kidding me. We have express trains? Are you serious? Get up there! Get up there! Oh gosh, that's a slow train. Did not realize that one. That one's close though. Down. Oh, move that out. You get down. You dodge the slow train by going back there. Just need to dodge the slow trains. The slow trains are the biggest trouble in this one. And we beat it. Nice. So smooth. Holy shit, 132 cargoes. That's so many cargoes. This is definitely the area that you want to play if you want to grind. It's not hard to play. It's not hard to beat. And you can get so many cargoes just by playing one time Chaos. Okay, we got some tracks that we can use to connect over. I don't even want to do it that way though. Maybe like this. And here I can connect the bridge over to Mostar. You really need these contraption tiles right there, so. And that will be the end of this episode. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Next time, guys, we're just gonna maybe do some random missions and stuff like that. And we'll try to connect more areas. After we connect Mostar, we're going to go up top this way just to complete over here because we're almost there. Because we're almost there. We just have one more phase, which is Gothenburg up there. Then we just probably complete that area. Then we're gonna head left to UK area. So till then, guys, peace.